crazy. I'm not using any other adjustments. I'm just curving the hell out of this thing. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day y'all get the peep game. Caleb hires hot sauce.
It'll burn your face.
I'm gonna teach you all about curving. What is curving, you ask? Well, perhaps an example might do you better than me just explaining it. Let's dive into the internet. What is curving? I saw it here and don't really understand even with the context. I would say that curving is about more than rejection. If I walked up to a random and asked her out and then got rejected, I wouldn't say she curved me. I approached her cold. She turned me down. If I met a girl at a function and we were flirting and we'd been talking, and maybe even a little physical contact, and then I asked her for her number and she says she's got a boyfriend, then I got curved. Ah! Savage. Damn. The second girl was playing like she was into me, when in reality she knew the whole time that what I had on my mind was not going to happen. Curved. Curve game strong. Okay, now that we know what curving is, I want to show you the true power of curve here in Lightroom. Even Lightroom curves. Hide your kids, hide your wife. They curving everybody out here. I'm gonna dive into Lightroom. I'm gonna show you guys the power of the curve. And I wanna show you basically how versatile it is. You can do so much just with the curve alone without touching any other adjustments. So I'm gonna do 3 images and let's just see. Let's take a look. This is the tone curve. This is the image. Here, you've got the RGB channel. You've got the other color channels here, red, green, blue. This is controlling them all at the same time. So if I drag this up, it's brighter. If I drag it down, it's darker. So if I want to brighten up some of these shadows here, I can take this on this low point and drag that up. But if it's too much on my highlights, I can always bring that back down. So something like that looks crazy. Hey, we've been hitting it off pretty well. Would you like to have dinner on Tuesday? No? Boyfriend? If I want to make this a sunset, I could with the curve, right? I could go to the green channel and remove some of that from the sky, make it look a little more sunsetty, pink. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe warm it up a bit by taking some blue out. Bam. Crazy. Yeah, that looks good. And I could even put some reds in the shadows. Jesus Christ. Just like that. Let's take a look at the before and after. Crazy. I'm not using any other adjustments. I'm just curving the hell out of this thing. Cool, let's move on to the next one. Summer vibes. How do you curve summer vibes? Well, you can go retro and warm. So let's do that. First thing I want to do is add a little bit more contrast. Just a little bit, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pull some highlights up, pull some shadows down. That's looking good. Now I wanna go retro, so I'm gonna put some red in the shadows here. Something like that. And maybe a little bit of blue in the shadows, get a little purple going. Nice. And how about some green in the highlights, right? We go over here. Not too much now. I like that. But it's doing a little too much to her face, so I'll pull some green, get back down to about right there. And if you wanted to do the faded look, we could take these shadows and pull this, oh my God, and pull this up here. As high as we want. Perfect. You see? Let's do before and after. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Something like that. Pretty good, pretty powerful. Some might say curve game 9,000. Now this is a picture that's pretty dark, pretty underexposed. Quick fix, just drag this over and then bring up the midtones. All of a sudden, damn man, you shot that perfectly. Yeah, but you're still not coming to dinner with me. I've got a girlfriend. Damn, that feels good. In this world, it's either curve or be curved. That's what I'm finding out. Curve or be curved. Okay, that looks good with the exposure. It's a little blue cast, so we can change that. by taking some blue out of the highlights here. Like that. And maybe we want a little bit more magenta in the skin. So I'll pull some green down. Excellent. And let's see, you want any, oh my God. Maybe put some teal in the shadows and keep that middle point about where it was. Let's take a look at the before and after. Crazy. I've used nothing else but the tone curve. And you can always go back and change things. Like if I wanted to bring the shadows up and have a faded look, I could just do it like that. If I wanted to make this image look awesome, I could just do it like that. Then all of a sudden, you've got yourself a professional image. Subtlety is the key, guys, with this stuff. That is the key, except for in this case, I did have to bring the exposure up. But that's the video. If you like to learn things, I could do this, you know? I can leak the sauce. I know you guys like the sauce. I could show it to you, little bite-sized chunks like this, if you like it. But you're gonna have to let me know, because if you don't let me know in the comments below, I'm not gonna be able to feed my 4,000 children that I just found out I had. I'm using children like how rappers say, you know, they son people. That's, you know, I'll have to save that for another video. I can't give all the game away, you understand? Not at once. Like and subscribe, keep me alive. Caleb signing out.